What's up, y'all? Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for checking out the video. So I recently had a viewer comment on a video and ask a great question about he just renovated his lawn and he's kind of worried about seeing weeds in his lawn. And so how do I manage weeds coming up as we approach summer? Now, I think it's a great question because weeds are a very popular topic. Everybody talks about weeds, they worry about weeds, and that is fine during certain parts of the year. Now, as we approach summertime, weeds need to become less of your concern. And the reason why I say that is because once temperatures get warm enough, into the 90s, humidity starts showing up, most weed control products will not, they will work, but they will actually cause damage to your lawn. So in his question, he does mention that he just recently renovated his lawn. Now, for most people, I recommend that for the first calendar year, you do not worry about weeds. Okay? If you're doing a renovation, because your baby grass, your new grass probably isn't going to be strong enough to be able to handle any of the herbicides that you're going to spray on it. What I would much rather see you do is focus all of your energy, all of your effort, all of your money with your new renovation into strengthening your new lawn, your new grass. I like to think of it like this. So just like in football, you can either play offense or defense. Okay. And so when you choose to renovate your lawn, you are making the choice to play offense. Okay. You're trying to increase the amount of grass seed, the new cultivars, all those things into your lawn. And so what you need to do is you need to continue to play offense. Strengthen that grass, get it to grow up, get it as healthy and as thick as you possibly can for the first year, and don't worry so much about weeds. Once you've done everything that you can to establish your new lawn, the next year you can then play some defense. And by playing defense, I mean you could put down pre-emergence, you could put down herbicides, things to try to defend the grass that you have, to play defense. But summertime, as you approach summertime, I know these weeds are going to be popping up. They're everywhere and they're unsightly, and you just planted your grass and now you're feeling the frustration. But if you try to play offense and defense, I promise you're going to lose, because the herbicides, again, we talked about, your grass is just not strong enough to be able to withstand some of those herbicides. So now you're trying to play defense, but now you're actually hurting your offense. All right. So that's why I say you just need to wait. Most herbicides above 90 degrees, it doesn't matter if you have an established lawn or a new lawn. Once temperatures get so high, you really just have to let the weeds go and not worry about them. The best times to control weeds and worry about weeds are with your pre-emergent herbicides in the spring, in the fall, and then, again, once temperatures really start warming up, you just got to let the weeds go. So my advice for you, if you just maybe overseeded your lawn or you renovated your lawn, as hard as it is, and trust me, I know how hard it is because I'm dealing with it right down here. While I haven't seen weeds yet, I know that they're coming, and you just have to be patient. You just have to, for me and a cool season lawn, I'm going to have to wait until fall to worry about any weeds. Right now, all of my energy, all of my time, effort, money, everything is being spent on trying to get that section down there as thick and as healthy as possible before the heat comes. So that's just watering it, feeding it, and mowing it. So hope you found the video helpful. If you have a question about anything that I said, please leave me a comment down below. I'll try to answer it as quick as you can. And I really do appreciate the question. It was a great question. So thanks, guys. Peace.